Hello everyone, I am Kausthbh from Arcom in the module Electronics. I am from Muscat, Oman. I consider it a privilege to present before you the working of a theft alarm. The components of this project are one 9-volt battery, wires, buzzer and paper pens. So let's see the working. One of the pins is connected to the negative of the battery. The other is connected to the bottom of the battery, which is placed so that it touches the first pin. The buzzer's positive is connected to the positive of the battery and the negative is connected to the second pin through a wire. How does it work? The pins are made to touch each other so that the buzzer beeps. But when the door is closed, the door frame blocks the second pin from touching the first pin. So that's why the buzzer does not beeps while the door is closed. But when the door is opened, the buzzer beeps because there is no force acting upon the second pin, which helps us to touch the first pin. Thank you. This is presented by Kausthbh from Arcom, Module Electronics.